Well, yesterday the kids were doing what Elena's doing now. They were pretending to surf on the long planks, and as they were doing that, they started building them taller and discovered that they could tip them, and they decided they would try doing a teeter-totter effect. And at first they asked one of the teachers to stand on them, and they were going to try to do teeter-tottering with the teacher, and they discovered that since children and teachers were too heavy, we decided to use the stuffed animals, and they found it much easier to propel the stuffed animals up in the air, and it's just been going ever since.
Hey, Sue, watch Sue.
Okay. Woo, can you catch it?
No, I didn't catch it.
Does this work?
Watch again, Sue.
Okay. Oh. I wonder if it'll go in this bucket, Adam.
Yeah, we'll do it in the bucket.
Here, now you have room. We both have room.
I tried to get up and move. And I got back in my shoe too. Hey, go on the watch. Go on the watch. Elephant. And give it right back. I will. One time. Did it one time. Did it one time. Michael, watch. Okay. Pick up a picture of you. Are you holding me? Good catch. So why are you holding it?
For Kevin, to keep it out of his way.